Welcome to Protect Nature, where we explore the previously unseen wrath of nature. Are you ready to face the brutal power of earthquakes, the fury of tsunamis, and the tempest of storms? These phenomena not only make us shiver, but also demonstrate the boundless power of Mother Nature. In these tense and breathless moments, we will immerse ourselves in disasters that have left indelible marks on human history. Each story is an unimaginable battle, highlighting the fragility of life and reminding us of the importance of protecting Earth. Prepare yourself for moments that will make your heart race and your mind be swept into intense emotions. This is not just a journey, but also a powerful call to learn, act, and safeguard the future of our planet. Are you ready to confront the power of nature? Join us on this journey and discover the extraordinary that awaits. Huge clouds stacked on top of each other, covering the entire sky in a layer of gloom. Lightning flashed like silver arrows, streaking across the deep black sky. Rising temperatures caused large ice sheets in Antarctica to gradually melt. Melting polar ice caps have profound impacts on the global climate and ecological system. Every street and building seemed like it could disappear under the fierce waves of the flood. The molten stream of fire spilled out from the crater, creating brilliant streaks of light on the dark ground. The lava flow radiated bright light like a stream of fire, illuminating everything around. Large icebergs moved tirelessly into residential areas. The night was illuminated by the brilliant light of the fire, which flared up fiercely and spread endlessly. The landscape became gray and dry as deep cracks appeared on the ground. Lack of water source causes the plants here to wither and lack vitality. The giant tornado rolled up like a giant vortex, rising high into the clouds. The waves suddenly rose, reaching up to dozens of meters like a giant wall of water. They rushed toward the shore at rapid speed, sweeping away everything in their path. The flood suddenly came, washing away everything in its path in a fierce wave. The flood has terrible power and knocks down cars, posing many risks. The rain poured down like a waterfall, dyeing the space white. Prolonged rain submerged roads, causing traffic congestion and delays. Lightning appeared and flashed like a bright streak of light tearing through the night. The rain fell thickly, blowing with fierce winds, making everything blurry. After the storm, large and small tree branches lying across the road piled up on top of each other. The mountains suddenly collapsed, causing everyone to panic and rush to find a safe place. Huge waves crushed everything in their path, washing away houses and trees. The water carries debris, contaminating everything in its path. Streets, buildings, and structures become small islands surrounded by the sea. Large rocks and heavy soil broke apart, falling like a giant wave. The sound of rocks sliding down the slope was like the roar of a giant angry monster. The road is cracked, causing great danger to traffic and seriously hindering movement. Each fierce white wave pounded the shore, creating a majestic and chaotic scene. The fierce tornado swirled like a giant tornado column, reaching high into the clouds. High temperatures combined with prolonged water shortages caused the land to become arid. The roar of the wind, mixed with the sound of impacting sand, made the air chaotic. The terrible wind caused trees along the road to collapse. Strong winds swept away everything on the road, creating a chaotic scene. The rows of trees are swaying and tilting, struggling to cope with the furious force of nature. The thunder erupted like a violent shock, breaking the stillness of the quiet night. A vast sea of water covers the entire area, blending into a vast and endless picture. Here, all traces of life seem to have been erased, leaving only cold, terrifying silence. Cars moving slowly splashed water due to prolonged flooding. The scene of desolation appeared like a picture of ruins, erasing all traces of life. In the pitch-black night, lightning streaks across the sky flashed for a moment. Soil and rocks slid down the edge of the mountain like a giant waterfall, bringing with it terrible destruction. In just a few short seconds, everything was completely destroyed under the sandy soil. The wind and rain roared violently and hit the window. The passing storm caused river water levels to rise, causing widespread flooding. The enormous power of nature brings a feeling of both majesty and terror. Fire and smoke engulfed everywhere, billowing columns of thick black smoke into the sky. The gray city was engulfed in darkness under a layer of thick clouds. The fierce turbidity wave crashed onto the mainland, rolling in and filling every corner. Human lives are seriously threatened every time natural disasters strike. These images have left a profound impact on your mind, reminding us of the resilience and beauty of our shared blue planet. Natural phenomena like earthquakes, tsunamis, and storms not only instill fear, but also highlight the urgent need to protect our environment. Join the Protect Nature movement to work together in preserving and safeguarding nature for future generations. Every action you take, no matter how small, holds the power to make a significant difference. Share this video to spread the message of love for nature and build a strong community united in protecting our planet. Thank you for joining us in our mission to protect the environment and preserve the beauty of the world we cherish.